Alam mo mukhang meron kang hindi rito nakikita 'no, malaki 'tong pagbabago rito, okey? Pero dahil ang ikot ng Wheel of Fortune 'no ay may kaakibat na bawat pagbabago, may pagbabago sa emosyon, may pagbabago sa perspective, sa perception, may pagbabago 'no na posible rito na mahirap sabayan, pero magtiwala ka sa proseso. Ito yung klase ng sitwasyon na yung mga pagbabago is parang hindi gano'n kadali na masabayan, pero kailangan mong mag-hold on tight. Alamin natin kung ano nangyayari here. You need to give something out in order to receive. It means you need to make some kind of room for something, but you need to take out something from your life in order to make a new room for something new to happen here. So, maaaring meron dito mga pagbabago na kinakailangan mo na entertainin, pero meron ka munang kailangang alisin para magkaroon ng space yung pagdating nitong bagay na 'to, 'no, na posibleng hinahangad mo. Ano man 'yan. Okay, let's get other infos. Yeah, this is really true. Wow! I'm gonna tell you later 'no, ano yung mensaheng nakuha ko dito. Ang lupit nun 'no. So, before we start talking more about the situation here ninyo guys, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello new subscribers, ako po si Yan. Welcome, welcome dito 'no. At sa mga returning subscribers, maraming salamat sa inyo. Walang sawang pagsuporta 'no. So yun nga mga babes, wala tayong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Puwede ninyong i-flip yung roles if you want, and ang importante at the end of the day, meron kayong free will of course, free rin kayo to use that, okay? So, if this reading resonates you, please apply this into your own unique situation. Okay? So, yeah. Meron din tayong mga other channels, no? So, you might want to check the other links, no? Kung interested din kayong tumambay dyan, ang mga links ay nasa description box. Okay, so with the Ten of Swords energy, Five of Cups right here, okay? The presence of Seven of Wands, Four of Cups in reverse, and Four of Swords. You could be seeing a lot of number fours. Okay? Alam mo ba na ang 4 ay ang strong spiritual number of stability. Stability sa money. Stability might be sa relationship, commitment, okay? Or permanency, no? At something here that you truly desire. Yan, no? Alam mo, nakikita ko rito, no, na makailang ulit ka na rin dito na parang nadadapa, no? Nadadapa, 'di ba minsan 'pag nadadapa, no, nagkakaroon ng sugat, no? At yung iba, no, parang tinatawanan pa na parang, "Uy, nadapa siya, ha, ha, ha." Gano'n. Gano'n, 'di ba? So, whatever the case may be na nakikita ko rito 'no, na alam mo mga babes 'no, let me just say this to you. Failure does not mean that you need to quit. Failure means you need to try again. If you failed, eh, don't put an end to it. Para mo na ring sinabi na tinapon mo rito yung pangarap mo pagka sumuko ka, okey? Okey lang 'yan, sa first try hindi ka nagwagi, hindi ka nanalo, but you did your best and you failed, then come back tomorrow, try once again. Okay? And then if tomorrow 'no, nag-failed ka ulit 'no, puwede kang magpahinga, take a pause, Four of Swords energy 'no. Pahinga ka muna saglit, then laban ulit, 'di ba? Huwag mong isuko yung pangarap mo because you only live once. In this lifetime, our God, regardless of your religion or belief, I know iisa lang yung Diyos natin 'no. Our God put us on this earth not to mess up with our lives, but to give us the freedom to achieve whatever it is that we want in our lives. So, which means that if you failed, you must not quit, but you need to, okay? Puwede mo rito na parang hamunin yung sarili mo, hanggang saan ba yung kaya mo, hanggang saan ba yung kaya ko rito, hanggang saan yung kaya mong gawin para sa pangarap mo. Ang daming pangarap 'di ba? Pangarap na kotse, pangarap na bahay, pangarap na trabaho, negosyo, pangarap na tao na gustong i-pursue. Susuko ka na lang ba, 'di ba? Failure means try again. Yun yung nakikita ko rito, okey? Ilang beses na rito na parang nasaktan ka when it comes to love, then do not quit 'no, loving again. Huwag mong i-separate yung sarili mo 'no, na bigyan ng chance yung self mo na magmahal ulit, okey? There's always that one person, 'di ba, that will always have your heart, 'di ba? So, hindi lang 'yan mga babes 'no, yung experiences sa love 'no. So, if you're not yet there, ibig sabihin if there's someone here na hindi mo pa nararamdaman yung love that you feel like na na nakasakay ka sa ulap 'no, like you feel so loved, like kinikilig ka, you feel like you're already experiencing that love that you desire, that love that you're craving for, then, okay, yun, 'no? Alam mo kasi ganito yun, eh, example ko yung sa ospital. Alam niyo yung lifeline dun, 'di ba? Yung lifeline dun, zigzag yun, up, down, up, down, which means buhay ka 'pag yun yung signal mo dun sa machine, tama, 'di ba? Pero once that it goes flat, what will happen? Ibig sabihin it's dedo na, 'di ba? Dedo. So whatever the case may be 'no, you need to be like this, okey? Ibig sabihin nun life is down, high, low, high, low, high, 'di ba? So dito, mga babes 'no, you need to have that life, okey? Huwag mong hayaan na mag-flat ang iyo rito 'no, na, lifeline 'no, dito sa earth. Huwag mong hayaan na matapos 'yan ng hindi mo nagagawa yung pinakagusto mong gawin sa buhay mo 'no. I-achieve mo yung mga pangarap mo. Una sa lahat, huwag mong isipin na 'yan ay imposible. Dahil 'pag inisip mo na imposible 'yan 'no, wala na, sira na, dedo na. 'Di ba? So, kahit ilang beses kang madapa, huwag kang sumuko, magpahinga ka lang 'no. You can always do that 'no. Pagod ka, nakikita ko dito 'no with the Nine of Wands energy, there's this, Five of Cups right here, nakakapagod mag-try, miss 'yan 'no. Then recharge. The next day, do not do anything, just relax. Relax your mind, relax your thoughts, do something that makes you feel relaxed. Read a book if that's what you want. Watch your favorite Netflix or movie series, okay? Do whatever it is that you want. Drink your favorite drink, eat your favorite food, laugh out loud, go out, do your favorite sports, 'di ba? Kahit ano gawin mo, para mag-brighten yung day mo rito 'no, recharge ang tawag dun. Be with the people you want to be always around you. Spend time with your friends 'no, and then try again tomorrow 'no. Huwag kang mag-quit. It's like you tell me that you're also quitting to your dreams, 'di ba? Alam mo ba, gusto ko tanggalin yang word na impossible sa dictionary because for me, that word do not exist. The word impossible do not exist in my dictionary, in my own dictionary. For me, everything is possible. So, yung pangarap mo para sa akin ay posible. Kaya dapat isipin mo rin na yung pangarap mo na which is ang may pangarap na yan ay ikaw, no, ay posible na mangyari para sa'yo. Diba? You know, Nine of Cups energy, oh. Wish fulfillment, 'di ba? So, you need to start kahit ilang beses pa 'yan, 'di ba? As long as you're living, you're waking up in the morning, 'di ba? You need to recharge and to take a risk once again, take a chance to moving towards your dreams and goals in life. Never quit, 'di ba? Huwag kang ma-confuse mga babes 'no, make a decision right here to fight for these dreams of yours. Dito kasi nakikita ko rito, parang ayoko na nito, ayan 'no. Ito ata yung bagay na na hindi ata 'to para sa'kin, mga ganyan 'no, may mga gano'n ka 'no. Alam mo mga babes, here in your case 'no, this is you. You could be being test right here by the universe 'no. Gaano mo ba kagusto 'yan? Show them what you got, 'di ba? Up until you hit that spot of achieving and receiving that, no? Sometimes the universe do some kind of tricks before they give you what you want. They're gonna test you. Can you handle your own wish? If your wish has something to do with lots of money, I wanna win the jackpot prize in the lottery, okay? Thing is, the universe will give you some kind of a test. Can you really handle this big money? They're gonna give you a test right here. Pwedeng padalhan ka nila, no, mapanalunan mo 50,000 pesos. What will you do with that 50,000 pesos? Okay, are you gonna tell the universe, what? 50,000 lang? What I want is that 200 million jackpot prize. Don't you think that the universe is testing you? They want to see ano ang gagawin mo sa 50,000 na yan. Are you gonna save it? Or are you gonna buy all of those 50,000 in one day? 'Di ba? Show them. Be thankful. Thank you, universe, for this 50,000 pesos. I'll be saving this one for my kids' education, for my family, blah, blah, blah. 'Di ba? And you're gonna see. Wait for it. The universe already see, no, na ay kaya niya palang i-handle yung 50,000. So sige, ibibigay ko na sa'yo yung 200 million, 'di ba? Na jackpot na gusto mo, 'di ba? When it comes to love, eh, you like that person so much, you love him, universe, sana sagutin na po ako ni ano, or sana maging kami na po ni ano, 'di ba? Universe will put you to a test. They're gonna bring someone into your life. That someone might be only a test, eh. Papadala nila yan sa'yo ngayon 'pag nagdalawang isip ka 'no, they're gonna see if the person that you're asking or praying to them, is that the person you really want or this person here, you will be weak, 'di ba? Na, "Eto na lang palang bago." 'Di ba? The universe has this lots of tricky tricks that might trick you, 'di ba? What else, 'di ba? Ano pa? Ay, gusto ko universe nitong dream house na 'to. Gusto ko nakatayo 'to dito sa ganitong lokasyon. Yan, oh, the universe will put you at bibigyan kita ng isang lokasyon. Iba ang lokasyon nitong bahay na 'to, pero maganda yung mga features nito. Mas maganda dun sa gusto mo 'no, then na-confuse ka, show the universe, 'di ba? Gustong-gusto mo ba talaga yung gusto mo? Kasi sometimes, alam mo hindi nila ginagawa yun para maguluhan ka. Ginagawa nila yun para mas maisip mo ng malinaw kung gusto mo ba talaga ang bagay na 'to, gusto mo ba talaga 'tong tao na 'to, o pangarap mo ba talaga 'tong sitwasyon na 'to na gusto mong kalagyan, 'di ba? The universe will help you to clear your thoughts, to weigh things left and right, and to see the bigger picture, 'di ba? So, ibig sabihin the universe tries to help you. So, 'pag nadapa ka at may tumawa sa'yo 'no, then carry lang, tumayo ka na parang pang Miss Universe, 'di ba? At mag-catwalk ka girl 'no, or tumayo ka 'di ba, kung boy ka 'di ba, and then mag-model ka diyan 'di ba, parang walang nangyari 'no. Nadulas ako eh, ano naman, puwede naman ako ulit tumayo, 'di ba? Alangan namang dun ka lang 'no, gabi na ta's inabot ka ng madaling araw hindi ka pa rin tumatayo 'no, 'di ba? So you need to get up 'di ba, stand up, okey? Make a decision right here 'no, to move forward to your dreams and goals in life. Five of Wands energy, Seven of Pentacles, beautiful, beautiful. Queen of Pentacles, alam ba kung anong ibig sabihin nun? I'm seeing you right here 'no, na yung mga tao sa paligid mo, yeah, you've got the same face. Ayan pa rin yung face mo. You've got the same height. Of course, hindi yan magbabago. But your character, personality, your energy, nag-level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, to the point na hindi ka na makilala ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Yan, no? Anong ibig mo sabihin, Miss Yan? Yeah, they're gonna see the same face because that is your face when you were born, di ba? They're gonna see your physical appearance as that, pero may pag-glow up. Iba na yung paano ka mag-isip, iba na yung paano ka mag-approach sa mga sitwasyon at hindi ka nila makilala dahil iba na ang ugali mo. Level up ka na rito, 'no? At ikaw nakikita ko na magugulat ka rin kasi maaaring hindi mo na rin ma-recognize ang sarili mo dahil level up ka na. Same face, same height, same physical appearance, but you did glow up and you will glow up in the near future pa more. So yeah, beautiful, no? Failure means try again and not to quit, guys, okay? Just try again. Eh, ano kung madapa ka, no? Tayo, 'di ba? So ayan no ngayon kung pagtawanan ka ng iba, no? Edi kiber lang, no? They do not have anything to do with your life. Focus on your own life and they need to focus on their own lives. You do not need to do something about them. Okay? So yeah, these are all the beautiful messages we've got right here for you guys. Thank you so much for your time spent here and sarang heyo, love and light. And